Good morning. My name is David Sembacha with my colleagues.
Good morning, my name is Barry Regan.
My name is Kasasa Muhammad.
And we are Group Elite, and we are going to be presenting our computer science final year project. And it is actually about our application that is going to be monitoring the dumping of plastic bottles in the city, as I'm going to show you in the preceding slides. I'm going to start with the introduction, briefly saying what and why we are doing this project and the benefits of it. I'll start with the statistics. The statistics show that Kampala generates 180 tons of plastic wastes daily. Unfortunately, 40% to 50% of the plastic waste is collected. That means the remaining ends up in the land, lakes and rivers, and this is actually a poor disposal practice that may end up blocking the drainage. Actually, the image clearly shows what the plastic bottles do in the drainage, and this could be a swamp or a river or any drainage. Why are we doing this project? We want to promote the proper disposal of the plastic waste. We see that the first step after a person using a plastic bottle, the person picks it up, has to scan with the Android phone, has to scan the barcode with the Android phone, and then scan the barcode in the trash bin. Hence, then they put it in the trash bin, whereby it will be verified, as I will show you in the system architecture when we reach on the slide. What are the benefits of this? For the users, we are planning that the users shall be getting an economic reward in form of points that can be converted into anything like airtime or data. The second point is that it will actually activate community participation in it, because everyone will be able to participate toward the sanitation of the country and saving the environment. And the other one is that it is free for everyone, free for signing up. There's no any charge of it. For the side of the merchant is that someone could actually advertise using our application in the form of increasing sales, and it will be also a free marketing channel. This is a problem statement. To control the dumping of plastic bottles in the country, hence promoting sanitation and saving the environment. For the related works, this is a related work that we got, the Tuve Kukavera campaign. As I'm going to explain it, the phrase Tuve Kukavera means let's leave the use of single-use plastic bags. The project was launched by Vivo Energy in partnership with NBS Television and NEMA. The project was started to teach Ugandans about the dangers of single-use plastic bags. The single-use plastic bags are these that we use for only once, and then we dispose them. And so the campaign was to teach Ugandans about the danger of using such bags on our environment. So Vivo came up and partnered with NBS Television and NEMA to teach Ugandans about the dangers, and it's a related work to what we are going to be doing in our project. So I move on to the research questions. Research questions are: will the project reduce plastic bottle dumping in the country? Will the project save the environment from plastic pollution? Will the project promote sanitation in the city? Will the project impart the recycling culture in the Ugandans? And the last question is that, will the public adhere to the project? Will they cooperate? Will they have resources for the project? Yes. And this is the system architecture. As I explained before, we are going to be having the server and the client. The client can be an Android user or iOS user. And then we shall have a server in form of Firebase. So the user will scan the plastic bottle using the Android phone or iOS phone. Then that barcode will be recorded by the phone, and then the phone will check in the database to verify whether it is for the bottle, and then the Android user will also have to scan the barcode on the trash bin to ensure that is close to our disposing point, hence ensuring that it's going to be dumping the bottle in the trash bin. Yeah, the future works. We want our project in the future to be possible for any kind of litter. We want it to expand it from the bottles to like polythene bags and other kind of litter. We want in the future for our project or application to be accessible even offline. The other point is that we want to partner or work with KCCA towards the sanitation of our city. And the other, we want to extend it from the city to other towns, and villages. Yeah, these are the expected results. Like in the introduction, we saw that the current statistics of the plastic bottles, plastic waste that is being collected daily was 40%. So our graph shows that what we expect, that if the current waste collected is at 40%, we want it by the first month of it working, we want it to expand it like to 1%, 41%, then by the second to 41%, 42%, for the third month, 43, fourth month, yeah, up to the 12th month, which would be, we expect like 70%, and we expect an increase of 20% from the current percentage that is being collected daily. Yeah, and this is the pie chart that is showing. This is the current. The first one is the current, showing the amount of plastic waste that is being recycled, which is actually very low. It is very low, and the biggest is disposed in the environment and the other is burned. But this is what we want to achieve in the future, that most of the percentage will be recycled. I conclude that our project will be of great impact towards the sanitation of the city and serving the environment. However, our project is limited by the fact that it is only to smartphone users and it requires mobile data to connect to the servers. Thank you so much.